This is Geoff Volker with In-Depth Studies. Today we're looking at Geoff's thoughts on New Covenant theology. And we are in the book of Hebrews, chapter 7, verse 12, where the context is the priesthood of the New Covenant era, which is the order of Melchizedek, which is a priesthood that actually does something in comparison to the priesthood of the Old Covenant, the Levitical or Aaronic priesthood, which doesn't do anything, just a picture. So the author says this: for when the priesthood is changed, the law must be changed also. So with the change of the priesthood, there must also be a change of the law. And so this is just reinforcing the concept that the Mosaic law is tied to the Old Covenant, a covenant made with Israel. That when that is a works covenant, that when that covenant comes to an end at the cross, we are now in the New Covenant era, the time of fulfillment, and the version of God's law that applies to this era is the law of Christ. Because the Mosaic law would not allow for a new version of the priesthood. So, with the change of the priesthood, for this to happen, there has to be a change of the law. And that's absolutely true. So, once again, understanding how we have two different versions of law, one for the Old Covenant era, one for the New Covenant era. Same God doesn't change, but the version of his law does change. So if this has been helpful, check out more of Geoff's thoughts on NCT, and you can go to YouTube or to the IDS.org website. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.